Hi lovelies. So today I'm going to be doing a little in-depth hair tutorial on this look that I did on my TikTok of Cassie's hair from Euphoria. Also, side note, I will be trying to speak up in this video because people have been commenting that like they can't hear me in my videos, which is understandable because I talk really low. But let's get to it. So all that I used was some hair ties, elastics, and a parting comb. I also used my water bottle to, just recurl some of my curls. But let's get into it. Let's see. First, part the middle. Okay, it's down the middle. Take out the bangs that you want, or the strands. Doesn't have to be bangs, it can be any type of strands. This is gonna have to be recurled because I just don't like that. Okay, and then first you're going to start with a normal like half up, half down is how I did it. I don't know how they did it in the movie, but I just did it the best I could, honestly. So taking both my fingers and tracing on both sides. Separate my hair. Okay, so just like that. And for this part, just to like flatten this part of my hair more, I just sprayed it with water, and it took a little brush. This is my DENMAN brush, and I just kind of brushed this part up a little bit more just so it's flatter. Okay. And then this is where I take my hair ties and okay, just like that. And then from underneath, I took hair and then I just wrapped it around the hair tie just so it looks like this is like part of like the bubble braid and it's not just like a hair tie. That's good. And then you just like bobby pin it. I gotta go get a bobby pin. So just take the strand from the side and bobby pin it onto your head like so. Cute and easy. Okay, and now for the harder part. I'm not gonna lie, this hairstyle was kind of hard to do. I was like struggling when I was doing it. I was like, but it's fine, we got through it. Okay, and so now I'm gonna move my hair to this side so it doesn't get caught. You create like 1 or 2 bubble braids here first on this like this piece of hair that's already like up in the ponytail. So just start wherever. Ouch. So there's that. I think I'm gonna do just 1 for this part. So there's that. And I just move it to the back. And then you're going to do the same thing that you did with like this part. Just take your fingers and start separating up. Okay, and then I'm just going to spray and spray and brush up a little bit. Again, moving hair to the side so it doesn't get caught. And here, I'll turn around so you guys can see. Okay, so this is where the other elastic is, and I think I'm gonna go right here. So just like that, and you keep doing it. I'll try to do it as I'm turned around without the mirror. Okay, and then I'm gonna stop here because she did have like a tail of hair out, and then this is when you start to like pull to make it like that bubble braid effect. Just pull like this. Okay, so now that I have created the bubbles in my hair, I'm going to spray my bangs. And then you can scrunch like this, or you can finger curl them, depending. Sometimes I finger curl, sometimes I just scrunch, but I feel like I wet them enough that they're turn out to be cute little curls. Okay, so this is my hair all done up. It was actually a lot easier the second time around. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I hope that this is something you can do at home. It's a really easy, fun look, honestly, like for going out or literally going to school, whatever you want to take it to. Thank you guys so much for watching.